Just finished our full body strength session. Just did a heavy compound session today to start our Sunday, and it feels really good. And now we're going to go for a walk outside and explore some waterfalls. It's going to be a good day. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have just done a compound workout, started my Sunday with a full body strength session, went heavy, feel really good now. Also started with 30 minutes of cardio and gonna go inside, make some breakfast, and then we're heading out to a waterfall walk, which will be really nice. We're gonna do that with a couple of friends and Mia, and then I am going to show you how I organize and rearrange my fridge. But before we get into this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you know every time I post a video, as I post one new video once every week. We have just got here and we're about to do our walk to the waterfall. be cleaning out my fridge. I'm going to show you how I reorganize my fridge for the week ahead. Usually I do my shopping first. So I did the majority of my shopping on Friday, and I didn't clean my fridge then because I wanted to show you how to do it once I've received my big fresh start box. So this is our 5 dinners for the next 5 nights. So I've got all the ingredients that I need to put away for that too, but also I've got all my other stuff in my fridge that I have for like lunches and breakfasts and just everyday general snacks for Mia and things like that. So I just want to show you my fridge at the end of the week, which is what it is now. And every time I go shopping, I like to clean my fridge out and make it look tidy. It just sets me up for a nice week, and to me personally, I just have to have an organised fridge. So I'm going to show you how I do that. Today we have done a workout. I did a full body strength session this morning in the studio, and then we went for a beautiful walk out in the fresh air and just was one with nature. We did a little waterfall walk and it was really nice. And now I am just basically doing a few chores around the house before I get stuck into some work and study this afternoon. The first thing that I'll be doing with my fridge is getting rid of stuff that is expired, that we don't need or we haven't used for a week or so, because let's all be honest, sometimes we have stuff in our fridge that can just sit there for ages and never get used. So all that kind of stuff I'm going to throw out. I usually actually don't have too many things I need to throw out because I'm quite diligent with it every week. So I'm going to take all the stuff out that I don't need, and then I'm going to give all the shelves and everything a wash. Eco-store products. They're just less chemicals and safer for us in general. So I just usually spray the shelves with a wet, warm soapy cloth.
With the brothers, you know how we do. It's hard for me to say you love.
So once I've wiped down all of the surfaces, I then take out the shelving and I just give them a little rinse off and a gentle wash in some warm soapy water. Again, using eco products. Okay, so now that I've cleaned up the majority of the fridge, I'm going to put stuff back in nice and tidy. So any kind of like drinks, wine or anything like that, I have these little bottle things, like holders that I bought from Kmart. They were like a couple bucks each, but they just hold the drinks and everything nicely in your fridge, especially if they don't fit in the side things or they're a little bit too heavy. So if you can find something like this, to chuck in your fridge for your drinks or heavier drinks, they do come in handy. Now I also found these little container things from Kmart as well. I've just kept things that they like my tahini and Marmite and Vegemite and things like that for sandwiches and toast and whatnot. So I usually just put this up here like that. Now sauces and whatnot, so Brayden loves tomato sauce, so I've always got to have some of that in the fridge. I put all the sauces and everything up in this side usually. I'm going to change it up and put it on this side. I want to put my plant-based milks and stuff on this side this week. I like changing it up sometimes.
With the brothers, you know how we do.
So any kind of sweet treat, chocolates and stuff, I usually keep in this little room here. It's looking very sad at the moment. I haven't really got any treats in the fridge because we've pretty much eaten them all. Any kind of granolas, LSA and whatnot that I keep in the fridge, I just put into this container here, all together. Nut butters and everything, I will usually keep with the granolas because I usually use them together. So So I've got another one of these containers that I usually put all my mushrooms into, and pop them into here. Kind of wish there wasn't so much plastic wrapped around our vegetables, but sometimes you just can't help it because you can't really buy them anywhere without it. Any kind of dairy cheese or anything that I have, I will pop up here. Drinks and nut milks here. Now this is another container that I have brought from Kmart, and I just like to keep my onions and garlics in here. Just put them in this little tin container. That just pops in there too. Eggs we keep on a tray. Now all my meat and everything I keep in this tray on the bottom. To keep my rose water spray in the fridge. It's so nice when it's a hot day just to go and swing by the fridge and pop this all over your face. It's so refreshing. I always put my spinach leaves in a nice container, and I do put a lid on it. It just keeps it fresher and it lasts longer. When you keep it in the bag, it wilts and then it starts to go funny smelling and like slimy. So keeping it in a container keeps it fresher and makes it last longer. After a good half an hour, I have cleaned everything and put everything away nicely. My fridge is now looking nice and tidy. I'm very, very happy with the organisation of it. I know it's going to help me with making healthy choices, making it easier to make healthy meals. Now a lot of these like lettuces and cabbage and things like that I could probably this afternoon chop up and pre-chop so it makes it even easier. But if you've got an organised fridge and everything is laid out in a great manner, it makes it easier to A, see what you've got so you don't have food wastage, B, you're more likely to use it, and C, you just feel so much better. So there we have my organised fridge. I keep my fruit in here and some more veg down there. The veg is just pretty much taking over the whole fridge. Protein and wraps and things like that in the bottom drawer. And we have nut milks, water, gut health shots, herbs and spices for my food bag that I have this week. And we have the dairy section, nut butters, granolas, LSA, things like that. And then you've got hummus, sauces, sauerkraut, and other random bits and pieces there. So yeah, there we have my fridge. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button because I upload videos once every week. I hope this video has helped you with some fridge inspo and helping to inspire you to reorganize and organize your fridge so that it helps you with making healthier choices for the week, because I seriously reckon that this tip really does help with making healthier food decisions, because you can see it and it's organized and you won't waste food because you know what's in your fridge. It's all there and easy for you to be able to see.